She'll be home at about 11 o'clock.
Relax, and above all, don't panic.
He was seated across the table from me.
What are they after?
It happened a long time ago.
I was at a loss for words.
I was studying when I heard him shouting down below.
Eggs are sold by the dozen.
He can't keep food down.
My attention wanders during the lecture.
Rita headed for their room.
Prevent the virus from spreading.
Nurturing was in his personality.
Her black dress blended into the darkness.
He lives off campus.
I hit on a good idea.
My teacher explained it over again.
My house is past the school.
Ask someone else since he can't go.
Yes, we've been all through this before.
May I sit next to you?
We live under the same sky.
At least wait until the doctor sees her.
I couldn't hear anything amid all the cheering.
She placed her hand atop his, assessing him.
She pushed herself up, cold inside and out.
He rolled onto his side and stopped.
Once outside, I gave a deep sigh of relief.
David was silent throughout the drive.
He removed layer upon layer of old paint.
Something melted within her at his words.
She did that without consulting anyone.
She always did everything according to the rules.
She was so close to achieving her goal.
Our thanks are due to him.
He drew near to her and stopped.
I missed my flight owing to a traffic hold-up.
She was taking a bath prior to going out.
Countries are ranked relative to each other.
This is an important consequence subsequent to the original ruling.
They by now are several miles ahead of us.
The planes are being grounded because of the fog.
Something inside of her told her not to trust him.
Instead of dining out, we ordered pizzas.
She's already grown out of her school uniform.
Barely aware of anything outside of her commands, he obeyed.
Apart from that, everything's fine.
As for Tanya, well, who cares what she thinks?
He didn't eat a thing except for a bowl of salad.
He bought red rather than green peppers.